Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HIKVISION Turbo HD Indoor-Outdoor Infrared Bullet Camera. There's an image of the camera right over here. There you go. This comes with a white and grey color combination. This is basically a security camera. It comes with HD. It comes with full HD capabilities along with infrared capabilities as well. Like I mentioned, it says HD video output, HD TVI technology, IP66 watt, weatherproof and XZER technology, and it comes with XZER technology as well. Any more information that we can find? No, that's more or less it. I'll open this and show you what's inside. We have a chart. This is the chart that you'll use when you want to mount this to a wall. You will notice that this diameter and this diameter are the same. So this is the chart that you'll be using. And there's a packet of screws and fitting material for when you mount this on the wall. Now let's take a look at the HIKVISION Turbo HD Indoor-Outdoor Infrared Camera. This is what it looks like. It comes with a swivel base. As you can see, this is a 180-degree swivel base, and you can unscrew this part. In fact, you can take the base off like so, and notice that there's this cable that goes straight in, and this cable has 3 outputs over here. As you can see, there are 3 outputs over here. So this is the one that will connect to your main console. There's a button. This one, okay, so this one comes with a cap. This is basically a button for turning it on or off, or maybe there's a reset button for emergencies. This is what the camera looks like. Like I mentioned earlier, this comes with a white and not grey, actually a black color combination, and this is the main lens. This is a full HD lens over here, and this also comes with this IR sensor over here. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the HIKVISION Turbo HD Indoor-Outdoor Infrared Bullet Camera. Thank you for watching.